What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Well, I wanted to do a little cooking today. I was at my local discount store and I ran across this Daiya Cheddar style Deluxe Cheesy mac and cheese. And since I'm allergic to dairy, I'm always on the hunt for things that are substitute for cheese and cream and dairy, right? And I thought this might be interesting for us to do a little taste test on it. It's a midweek taste test, right? Ooh, I'm Amy and I am on a mission to become a better cook. Hit the subscribe button below to join me. So cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday and we are gonna do a taste test of the Daiya Cheddar style Deluxe mac and cheese. So how you guys doing? I've never cooked on What's Up Wednesday, but we're gonna try this baby out. So the instructions say we're gonna boil in 8 cups of water. That's what this is. And check this pot out. This is my Lagostina saucepan. I love this baby, right? It is fully clad. So I got a great deal on the set. We're gonna boil this, we're gonna drain it, and we're gonna stir in the cheese sauce package. So what do you guys think of dairy-free mac and cheese out of a box? So we have a packet of our noodles here. Okay, I'll try this again. This is actually whole grain pasta. So this might be pretty good. Woo! We're gonna go ahead and pour it in. And we are gonna let this cook about 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is tender. So we'll be back. Okay, so we cooked the macaroni and we drained it, and we're just gonna put it back into the pot. Ooh. When I first saw these noodles, I was like, wow, these noodles are kind of small. But
they're way small.
And the cheese packet, we're gonna massage it per the instructions. Ooh. Eric was massaging it earlier. Don't let your neighbors see you do that.
Don't touch yourself.
We're gonna dump the deliciously cheesy sauce. Ooh.
That looks tasty.
It's really.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Don't adjust your cameras.
It's definitely orange. Is regular mac and cheese like out of a thing this orange?
It can be.
Go ahead and stir this around. Ooh.
Is it creamy?
It's turning into something. Hey, look at that. It looks like mac and cheese. Wow.
Hey.
I want to put some butter on it. Wow, it does look like mac and cheese.
If you eat enough of that, you might look like you have a suntan.
Wow, I'm impressed. So let's serve us up a little plate here. Wow, look at that. Kind of has that mac and cheese sound to it. Wow, okay. So let's take a taste. Okay, cooks, it's Wednesday, right? And we are eating some dairy-free mac and cheese. So before I eat this, I'm thinking maybe I want to try to develop my own dairy-free mac and cheese. Someday I'll do that, right? It is the color of mac and cheese, just slightly different. You think it's a little different color than mac and cheese, Eric?
Orange is orange.
Yeah. It does have that mac and cheese sound. It's creamy. I don't know much about cheddar because I haven't really eaten it, but it sort of has that little edge, so I'm thinking when they say sharp cheddar, is that like sharpness?
It doesn't taste like actual cheddar cheese, but it tastes a little bit like some fake Velveeta.
What's funny is when I eat cheese, I get this weird feeling in my throat. And it's almost like my throat feels like, oh my God, it's cheese. But obviously it's not. I'm sure that's just psychological. So it kind of has that cheese way about it. I can't say that it's weird. It doesn't taste weird. It just tastes interesting. Would I buy it again? I might buy it again.
No, there was a dumb question. Do you like it? You haven't really eaten this stuff before.
Yeah.
So now that your eyes have been opened a little bit to what every 10-year-old kid is eating, what do you like?
I like the creamiest because I'm not used to that kind of texture. I like that. I would say it's okay for like every once in a while when I feel like I have this cheese desire, but obviously I can't have cheese. Would I say, oh, I just want to eat this? Probably occasionally.
Maybe you get an urge for it.
Yeah. It's not bad. I give them props. It's probably better than any non-cheese thing that I've ever eaten that tries to be mac and cheese. So I would say, I give them a lot of props because it's more like cheese than anything I've really ever had as a non-cheese eater.
The one advantage you're going through is you're getting the gooey stuff.
Yeah.
So you're not getting the dry packet of salty nastiness that if it doesn't mix just right with enough water, then it tastes like garbage. You're getting the gooey stuff all nice and put together for you.
Yeah, it's definitely gooey. It has that satisfaction to it that cheese gives you. And for a non-cheese person or someone that's allergic to dairy, this does something for us because we don't have that. So I think in that regard, and it's tasty. I wouldn't say there's no bad taste to it at all. It sort of has that cheesy satisfyingness to it. So
maybe in the future we can throw it in the air fryer and get a little baked taste to it.
Yeah, you could do something like that. But I give it my thumbs up for occasional satisfying that craving for non-cheese eaters, vegan, vegetarian, or allergic. I'm allergic to cheese. It does give me that satisfaction. Yay! So guys, it's Wednesday. We have some dairy-free mac and cheese from Daiya, and I give it my thumbs up.
That would make it taste good. You're missing out on that too. Bacon.
Yeah, bacon. You can put bacon in there.
We can make it unvegan in a hurry.
Yeah, I would not be vegan anymore. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. My group is at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Go cheese. And Wednesday.
Yeah.